Introducing the QBee 2-in-1, the ultimate fusion of innovation and precision. A 3D printer and CNC, all in one compact machine. With its advanced 3D printing capabilities, the QBee 2-in-1 brings your designs to life with stunning detail and accuracy. But that's not all. With a quick tool change, it transforms into a powerful CNC. Carve, mill, and shape with precision. Whether it's wood, metal, or plastic, the QBee 2-in-1 handles it all with ease. From prototyping to production, the QBee 2-in-1 adapts to your needs. QBee 2-in-1, where innovation meets versatility. Redefine what's possible.